Verifying your Discord account is an important step to ensure security and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find the My Account tab. Click on it to view your account details and verification options. Step 4. Verify your email. Look for the email verification section. If your email is not verified, you will see an option to send a verification email. Click on it, then check your email inbox for the verification message from Discord. Step 5. Confirm your email address. Open the email from Discord and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address and complete the verification process. Once you have followed these steps, your Discord account will be verified, allowing you to enjoy all the features and functionalities of the platform.